All right, Topps Chrome Box 4, Break 1. Let's see, nice and whatnot. All right, we haven't gotten a big 4 auto out of this box yet. We got the blue Mejia. We got a red, and I think there was a gold, wasn't there? Matt Kemp gold. No, Jason Donald. The gold wasn't in this. Never mind. The gold was from Bowman. My bad. Did I start this? Yes, I did. Okay. First pack of the last box. Topps Chrome. Base. We've been on a little over an hour. Yep. Fukudome, most perverted name in all of baseball. Base. Another blue auto. Mike McCoy of the Toronto Blue Jays. It's nice. In that box I bought, I had a Mike McCoy refractor, but it wasn't color. Mike McCoy, 150 of 199. It is not scratched in any way. Pretty well. It might be a little off center, top to bottom, but not that it's gonna. Nothing that I think would affect the grade or anything. So that's a very nice card. Mike McCoy, blue auto. Somebody just hit a home run. 2 refractors again. So at least we're going to get a lot of refractors out of this. Nick Markakis and Aaron Hill. Hold on a second. Let me look at the TV. See who hit it. Uh-oh. Casey Kochman. Tampa Bay Rays. Getting it done. 2-run jack. I'll take it. I was really happy when they picked him up. I mean, we lost Pena to the Cubs. And other than that batting average, which is abysmal due to the shift, Pena is a big loss because he is a monster defensive first baseman. And I mean monster. Plays that guy makes, he's very, very, very good. And he can hit that ball like nobody's business. But he can't hit through the shift, you know? So that's why his batting average looks like that. He bats, 170 and hits 35 home runs or whatever. But I do like Kochman. This looks okay. This is Chris Heisey for Cincinnati Reds. Autograph. So that should be our last auto for the break. Sometimes there's an extra auto if you get a USA. But right now I'm just going to look for color. Try to fly through these so that we can get to the jerseys. Look, man, nobody wants to hear about the Mets, okay? See, we only talk about the Rays in here. Let's get some color. Let's get somebody else another hit. Alex Gordon, refractor. Starlin Castro rookie. That's another thing. The Nationals, the Braves, the Giants, the Cubs, they are generally going to get their money back just in the rookies. A couple other teams. It's not over. We still got a jersey over there. Braves, Yunel Escobar. Plus, if you get a nice, the right guy color refractor, something like a Pujols or a Jeter or A-Rod, that A-Rod blue, it can pay for half your break. for a card that technically doesn't count. Yeah, just the end of this one and the jersey. You might as well hang out and watch the jersey. That's the coolest part. Well, I guess you'll just have to wait and see. Oh, we got a blue. Speak of the devil. A blue Jeter. I'm not sure, but that's probably a $10 card. Yeah, I don't care if you hate them. They just got the next card. Whoever has the Yankees, nice card. Wasn't able to get you a Nova autograph, but we got a Dustin Pedroia, Red Sox. They doubled us up again. 2 checklists. Brandon Hicks, rookie. Yeah, Yankees. I don't mind the Yankees because we've been manhandling them lately, although they are back in first place. But I don't like A-Rod. Neftali Feliz for Texas, number to 999. And last actual pack of this break was a Hanley Ramirez refractor for the Marlins. Nice. So, this is it. Moving over to the jersey. I have never opened one of these, so I'm not really sure what to expect, to be honest with you. I know that Billy Butler is a common hit for them. He signs a lot of their stuff. So, let me save this.